All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So you got your shiny new custom S22 Ultra, and you do not want to cover up this color, but you still want to have some protection when you go outside. So this is my sky blue version of the S22 Ultra. And so I've got some case options here for you that I think might help you out. So if you're looking for something that is going to be protection and still clear, well, you obviously have cases from different manufacturers, and I'm just going to show you a couple of them in here. Now, I've already reviewed a lot of these cases, but I want to show them to you on the sky blue version of the device. This case right here will also do good with the white one as well. So you can see the cutout around the camera there. It's a nice subtle light gray color. This is a really nice eclectic combination right here. And you've got some silver accents along the top and all the sides and everything. I like the gray cutout right here around the camera. I think that's really cool. And at the same time, you get drop protection. So everything should be fine since it's no screen protector in here. I have a white stone dome screen protector on here. So you've got lip protection all around the front, which is going to be nice. You can lay it down flat. You've got protection. You've got access to your S Pen on the bottom right there. You just, they have a nice cutout right here, so you'll be able to push it in and out. You really don't need to use a fingernail or anything like that. So power button, volume rocker, everything is going to be fine on here. I think it's going to be nice. So this is one of the first ones that I wanted to show you as far as a clear option for your device if you want to maintain that color. Because I know a lot of times people say, you're just going to put a case on it anyway. Well, you're right, I'm going to put a case on it because the price of these devices are not for the faint of heart. So this is the first one here. And I'll move that one aside. Now, the next one here is probably one of the most famous ones. It's kind of a unicorn because you can't really find this one in a lot of places. So unicorn, as a matter of fact, unicorn Vito. So this is the clear version by Subcase. And this is flying off the shelves, apparently. People just can't get them in this color, so they're opting for different colors. And there are other colors. I have the other colors here. And but if you have this clear version and you want some protection, that to me is one of the most beautiful ever. So I'm going to show you another nice one. It covers up the color of your device, but still it is absolutely beautiful. And it is another one that I recommend. And that is this color right here, this camo. This is absolutely beautiful. It's just another option for you. But this case appears to be just one that's hard to get, and I understand why. It's such a beautiful color. And this will probably be one of the ones I wear when I'm going out on heavy-duty places, like places that I know the phone might slip out of my pocket or something like that. But this is a matte case right here. So this is just one of my favorites, man, because the phone itself is a matte surface. The back is matte, the sides are matte, and it's just really nice. Now, around the cutout of the camera here, you can see it's just deeply recessed for protection. And all these cases that I'm going to show you have some form of drop protection. But this is just a look at another option for a clear case that'll still show the color of your device. So that is absolutely just beautiful. I hate to take it off, but I got to because I got to show you the next one. But this is just a beautiful phone, and I didn't want to cover it up when I went outside. And I don't like to wear cases, if you don't know. I don't wear cases on my devices around the house, but it's just an option for you. So the last one that I'm going to show you here, and this is just some of the ones that I like. This is the Rinky. Really nice. Rinky clear crate case with frost. Now, this will probably be one that I actually wear for the remainder of me for the week. But this one has the clear sides on it. And again, I like the matte sides on the phone itself, but it's kind of a slippery, but it's definitely grippy all around. So this will also show off the color of your device. So I just wanted to stop for a second and show you some case options that you could actually use for your beautiful new color that you got in. Now, obviously, you might not have the blue, you might have the graphite or the red/orange. It's up to you, but either way, all of these cases right here will just make your device look fantastic. And I'll try to remember to leave a link down below so you can grab these if you decide to get one. But here they are. These are some case recommendations I recommend for the S22 Ultra if you have one of the custom colors or any of the other colors. It's up to you. Take care.